to Goodloog, I'd like to show you the production progress of our products, so you can see how a finished machine to be produced step by step. First, we use CNC laser cutting machine to cut the raw materials. It can cut a whole piece of stainless steel into small pieces with more precisely dimensioned and more neat edges. Laser machine can cut many material at the same time, so it increased production capacity and efficiency. What you have seen now is punching machine. Punching machine can cut small material into specific shape. We have both manual and CNC punching machine. Once the data have been set, machine will work automatically. Next step is using the bending machine. No matter large size stainless steel sheet or small pieces, both can be bended accurately and multiple times is also available. Till now, you can see an embryonic form of machine body have been completed. After that, we weld the frame via electrode welding machine, then assemble the machine with the most important inner elements like thermostat, heating tube, timer, etc. The last step is polishing each machine to make sure we'll make high quality and elegant machine without blur or rough edges. We'll test each machine before packing. Specific foam inside to make sure each machine is in good condition after transportation. You are warmly welcome to visit our factory to discuss our business cooperation.